Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn some essential Thai phrases for every traveler. Whether you're exploring the busy streets of Bangkok or the peaceful beaches of Phuket, these phrases will help you navigate Thailand with ease. I've spent years exploring the world, soaking up different cultures and cuisines, and let me tell you, nothing compares to the warmth and hospitality you'll find in Thailand. But sometimes, the language barrier can feel like a wall between you and the amazing people you meet. That's why I'm so excited to share these simple Thai phrases with you. Trust me, even knowing a little bit of the local language can help you connect with the locals, show respect for their culture, and unlock incredible experiences. So let's get started. First, let's learn the most important phrase in any language, hello. In Thai, we say sawasdi, followed by crap, if you're a man, or ka if you're a woman. It's all about ending with respect. Now let's break it down. Sawasdi is pronounced sawasdi, with the emphasis on the second syllable. Crap is a short, sharp sound, kind of like cup. Ka is similar, but with a slightly higher tone, kind of like ka. You'll be surprised how this simple greeting can light up a room. Thai people really appreciate it when foreigners try to speak their language. It instantly breaks the ice and shows that you're genuinely interested in their culture. Don't be shy to practice your pronunciation. Thai people are incredibly patient and encouraging, and they'll be happy to help you get it right. Plus, even if you stumble a bit, your effort will be met with warm smiles and encouragement. Remember, language is about connection. It's about building bridges and fostering understanding. So say Sawasdi Krap Ka with confidence, and watch as the doors of Thai hospitality swing open for you. Next up, let's learn how to express gratitude with a heartfelt thank you. In Thai, we say Kop Kun, followed by, you guessed it, crap for men and ka for women. The pronunciation is pretty straightforward. Kop Kun sounds like Kop Kun, with the emphasis on the second syllable. And remember those respectful endings we talked about? They're super important for showing politeness. Now here's a little insider tip about Thai culture. Showing gratitude is deeply ingrained in their social fabric. A simple Kop Kun Krap Ka can go a long way in acknowledging someone's kindness and fostering mutual respect. Whether you're thanking a street vendor for a delicious meal or a local for giving you directions, be sure to say it with a genuine smile. Your sincerity will shine through even if your accent isn't perfect. Remember, language is more than just words, it's about conveying emotions and building connections. So when you say Kop Kun Krap Ka, say it from the heart, and you'll be amazed by the positive energy it creates. Ready to shop till you drop in Thailand's vibrant markets? Before you grab those souvenirs, let's learn the art of asking, how much? In Thai we say, ne Tao Rai. Let's break down the pronunciation. Ni is a short, sharp sound, just like ni. Tao Rai sounds a bit like Tao Rai. Put it together and you've got ne Tao Rai. Now here's a pro tip when you ask ni Tao Rai, always point at the item you're interested in. This helps avoid confusion and ensures you're both on the same page. Don't be surprised if the vendor replies with a number and a playful smile. Bargaining is part of the fun in Thai markets. But remember, always be respectful and haggle with a smile. Learning this simple phrase will not only help you get the best deals, but also allow you to engage with local vendors on a more personal level. It's about embracing the art of communication and building rapport, one transaction at a time. Let's face it, when nature calls, you need to know how to find a bathroom quickly. In Thai, asking, where's the bathroom, is easier than you think. Just say, Hong Nam Ut Nai. Let's break down the pronunciation. Hong Nam means bathroom and is pronounced Hong, like Hong, and Nam, like Nam. Ut Nai means, where is it, and sounds like Ut Nai. Remember, when asking this question, use a polite tone and maybe accompany it with a gesture, like pointing towards a bathroom sign if you see one. Thai people are incredibly kind and will be happy to point you in the right direction. Knowing this phrase can be a real lifesaver, especially when exploring bustling markets, temples, or restaurants. It's one of those essential travel phrases that can make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. So next time nature calls while you're adventuring in Thailand, remember, Hong Nam Ut Nai. Even seasoned travelers experience moments where they just don't understand. Instead of feeling lost, master this simple phrase, Mai Khao Jai, which means, I don't understand. Let's break it down. Mai means no, and is pronounced just like Mai. Khao Jai means understand and sounds like Khao Jai with the emphasis on the second syllable. Saying "mai khao jai" along with a confused expression is usually enough to get your message across, but here's a pro tip: simple gestures like pointing to your ear and shaking your head can work wonders in bridging the communication gap. Don't be afraid to use this phrase whenever you need clarification. Thai people are incredibly patient and will often go out of their way to explain things in a way you can understand. Remember, traveling is about embracing new experiences, and sometimes that includes navigating language barriers with a smile and a healthy dose of "mai khao jai." Whether you're lost, confused, or just need a little assistance, knowing how to ask for help is essential. In Thai, you can politely request help by saying "chwai dui dai mai," which means, "Can you help me?" Let's break it down. Chwai dui means help, and is pronounced chwai dui, with the emphasis on the second syllable of each word. Dai mai means can, and sounds like dai mai. When asking for help using this phrase, remember to speak slowly and clearly, and don't hesitate to use hand gestures to communicate your point. Thai people are known for their helpful nature and are usually more than happy to lend a hand. From asking for directions to requesting recommendations, this simple phrase can be your secret weapon to unlocking the legendary Thai hospitality. So don't be shy, embrace the spirit of connection, and ask for help when you need it. Getting a little lost is all part of the adventure, right? If you find yourself lost in both language and location, this phrase will be your lifesaver. Pham/dichan long tang, which means I'm lost. Pham/dichan means I, and is pronounced as it's written. Long tang means lost and is pronounced long, as in a long day, and tang, with a slight emphasis, sounding like tang. When you say this phrase, try using a slightly worried tone to convey that you're genuinely lost. Thai people are incredibly kind and will go out of their way to help you find your bearings. Remember, even with the best laid plans, getting lost can happen to anyone. Don't let it discourage you. Embrace this experience as an opportunity to connect with friendly locals and discover hidden gems you might have otherwise missed. Ready to navigate Thailand like a pro? This next phrase will be your trusty compass. Pai yang nangai krap ka, which means, how do I get to? The is where you insert your desired destination. For example, if you're looking for the Grand Palace, you'd say, Grand Palace Pai yang nangai krap ka? Let's break down the pronunciation. Pai means go and is pronounced by. Yang nangai means how, and sounds like yang nya. And remember those all-important polite particles. Crap for men and ka for women. When asking for directions, it's always a good idea to have the name of your destination written down or ready to show on your phone. This helps ensure clear communication and prevents misunderstandings. So be adventurous and explore off the beaten path. With this phrase in your vocabulary, you'll be able to navigate Thailand with confidence and discover hidden gems along the way. Thailand is a feast for the senses, with exotic fruits, unique dishes, and intriguing objects everywhere you look. To satisfy your curiosity, master this simple phrase, "Ne ko Tao Rai," which means, what is this? Let's break down the pronunciation. Ni means this, and is pronounced just like ni. Q means is, and is pronounced Q. Arai means what, and sounds like arai. When you ask ni Q arai, remember to point at the object or food item that piqued your interest. This helps avoid confusion and makes for a smoother exchange. Thai people are generally proud of their culture and are often happy to share information about their cuisine, traditions, and customs. So don't be shy to ask. Get ready to savor the incredible flavors of Thai cuisine. From spicy curries to sweet sticky rice with mango, you'll want to express your deliciousness with the word "aroi," which means delicious. This one is all about enthusiasm. A-Roy is pronounced A-Roy, with a big smile and a satisfied nod. Trust me, your genuine appreciation for the flavors will be met with warm smiles and a sense of shared culinary joy. But here's a pro tip to take your culinary compliments to the next level. Try saying, "A-Roy mak mak," which means very delicious. The repetition of mak adds extra enthusiasm and truly conveys your enjoyment. Remember, food is a universal language that connects people. So, savor every bite, express your appreciation fully, and let the flavors of Thailand transport you to a world of culinary bliss. And that's a wrap. These quick Thai phrases are sure to make your travels smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, even a few words can go a long way in connecting with the locals and showing respect for their beautiful culture. Don't be afraid to practice your pronunciation. Embrace the occasional stumble and most importantly, approach every interaction with a genuine smile. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and language guides. Safe travels!